If you encounter a pairing issue with your E-MAX Shadows Pros, the best thing to do is going to be to do a factory reset. The way you do that is you'll take them out of your case. You're going to press and hold the single button on the right ear until the light turns red and then turns off. Then you can place this back in the case. On the left ear, you're going to press and hold both the up and down buttons at the same time. This takes a little bit of effort, but you can do it and you'll feel when they're pressed. You're going to hold that until the light turns red and then it turns off. Now I can place this in the case. At this point, the earbuds are reset to the factory settings. I can remove them both from the case and I can go back through the pairing mode.